हेलो गेट एस्पिरेंट्स। जैसा कि आपको मालूम है, गेट ऑल इंडिया टेक्निकल एग्ज़ाम है जो हर साल सीबीटी मोड में कंडक्ट कराया जाता है। उसके एग्ज़ाम इंटरफेस पे हमें वर्चुअल साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेटर प्रोवाइड होगा। तो आज हम वर्चुअल साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेटर की इम्पोर्टेंस और कैसे हम इजीली यूज़ कर सकते हैं उसके बारे में डिस्कशन करेंगे। इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ वर्चुअल साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेटर: स्पीड एंड एक्यूरेसी बेस्ट मेंटेन कर पाएंगे, कॉम्प्लेक्स कैलकुलेशन को इजीली सॉल्व कर पाएंगे, टाइम सेविंग होता है। रियल साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेटर और वर्चुअल साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेटर में एक बिग डिफरेंस है। जो रियल साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेटर हम सेमेस्टर में यूज़ करते हैं उसमें पहले हमें फंक्शन देना होता है, फिर इनपुट इंटर करना होता है। लेकिन वर्चुअल साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेटर में पहले हम इनपुट देंगे फिर फंक्शन रखना होता है। ये बिग डिफरेंस है, इसीलिए हमें वर्चुअल साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेटर पे थोड़ा सा वर्क करना होगा। प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद वो भी इजीली हम उसको हैंडल कर सकेंगे। Here we see on the screen same that will be appear on GATE exam interface. This first row, in this we put input, and here the expression, operation and equation will be formed in the first row. In the second row, input and the whole complete result will be given here in the second row. If we move on the left hand side, the MOD tab that gives the remainder value by dividing. Take one example here: 50 mod 3. The result is 2. Similarly, we can take next example: 70 mod 8. Here we see 6. Means this tab gives the remainder value. And now we were going to take example of this function, trigonometric function. 3 multiply with bracket, first give input 60 and then sign, bracket off, make it memory save, and then move for next, clear, move for second, 2 multiply with bracket 50 with the 10, bracket close, memory add, see this memory recall, and then clear this. Again move for the next, 3 multiply with bracket 60 cos, bracket close, 1.5, make it memory plus, and go on to memory recall 6.48, make it clear, and then move for the here minus 33 multiply with bracket 50 sine, bracket close. The result is minus 25.27. That to be get added with the memory. This value is going to be added, and then move for the recall here, memory recall minus 18.79, then memory clear, and move for again for the log base 510. Move for this with the input here. First we write input 10 and taking this log with base 5, put 5 here. The answer is this. Add with the memory and then recall, memory recall this minus 17, and then again with add with 3 log with the base 0.5, 0.5, this get add with memory and the memory recall. This one is the total complete result of this expression. Now we move to the next example. Let's see next example. EXP, exponent. Here the tab is EXP. EXP means m into 10 power m. Just let's take one example. If we write 5 EXP, that give value 5 lakh. Okay, means 5 into 10 power 5. E power plus 5 means 10 power 5. Take one example next. 2 EXP, that press equal 2 into e power plus 2 means 2 into 10 power 2, that is 200. Let's take example of logarithmic function. If log base 4 5, log base 8 0.5, it means 5 and 0.5, these are input. First give input 5 log, what is the base here? 4. Put base here 4, that is. Take one next example, 0.5 as input. First give input, that we have to remember, and put base here 8. That is the result here. Take next example of the exponent power. Here 4 to the power 1 by 5. First put input 4, and here this one expression we have to use, and 1 by 5 means first we have to 5 and put like that. Reciprocal of that, the result will be 1.3195. Example, we are going to use this tab, important tab, that is, this is the heart of this virtual scientific calculator. It is most beneficial for solving the complex calculation. Let's see with example. K is equal to pi by 3, and we have to put this pi by 3 at 3 places. Just move on. Put here, first we have to put memory as pi by 3. First make it memory clear here, and then put pi by 3 here, pi by 3. The result is this. Put it in memory save and then clear it. Just move here, 50 multiply with memory recall. The result is this. And now clear that. This is the result. And now we moving, just put here 50 multiply with memory recall value, this, and gone. The result is 52.35. Next, 40 under root multiply with memory recall, result is 6.623. Let's move to next. 5 multiply with cube root of k, means first we have to recall memory and cube root of that, taking that. This is the result, 5.077. Okay, this is the example of this top of this important tab: memory clear, memory recall, memory save, m plus, m minus, memory plus, memory minus. Be clear about that. If operation is completed, then clear this memory. That is clear. Let's take another example of how to use bracket. If there is a bunch expression, then we make sure to use this bracket to make calculation easy. Let's move. 3, first give bracket, 3 divide by 2 plus 5 divide by 3 bracket close. Make sure put square of that here. This is the result. Put it in memory save and then clear input. Move to next term. 3 multiply with 6 and the square root of that. This is the result. Memory plus memory recall, 17.37 is the result till now. Move to next. 2 bracket, first give 2 multiply with 5 under root divide by 9 bracket close. This one is the result. Put here cube, just move here. This one is the result. Add with the memory plus and memory recall. When you will give memory recall 17, when you give memory recall, the result will be 17.49. This is the complete result of this expression. Let's move to next example. Make sure of that memory should be clear here. Now just put input 8 e power 8 multiply with 14 log what the base is 7 divided by bracket 58 sine bracket close power 6. This one is the complete result of this expression. 5.6196 0.5. Make sure that multiply should be here and then use bracket 0.2 minus 4 bracket close divide with 10 and then multiply with 100. This is put this value in memory save and then clear. Move to next expression. This one 0.5 multiply with 4 plus 0.01 bracket close divided with 0.03 get multiply with 100. This to be added with memory. Just add with memory, added and then clear that. Just move to third expression 0.3 multiply with bracket 0.4 minus 3 bracket close divide with 0.0056 multiply with 50 and then memory recall. That is the result. We remember, if there is bracket or bunch, we should use bracket, and here 0.5 bracket 0.2 minus 4 bracket close. Be understood that 0.5 and here is a multiply sign. Put that star here between that 0.5 multiply and then use bracket. Few points to be remember while using virtual scientific calculator. बोर्ड मास रूल का खासकर ध्यान रखेंगे. इक्वल टैब हमेशा प्रेस करेंगे जब भी हम ऑपरेशन और फंक्शंस कंप्लीट एंटर कर चुके हैं. क्लियर हमेशा एंटर करेंगे जब भी हम नेक्स्ट फंक्शन की तरफ या ऑपरेशन की तरफ हम बढ़ते हैं. ब्रैकेट का हमेशा यूज़ करेंगे जहाँ भी हमें बंच मिलेगा. मेमोरी क्लियर हमेशा करेंगे जब भी एक ऑपरेशन कंप्लीट हो चुका है, जिससे कि हम मेमोरी की वैल्यू कहीं दूसरे में ना पुट कर दें, दूसरे ऑपरेशन में ना पुट कर दें. इसलिए हमें उसका क्लियर करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. एक पॉइंट हमें खासकर ध्यान रखना है, अगर इनपुट के साथ कोई फंक्शन या साइन हम एंटर कर देते हैं और इनपुट अगर गलत हो गया, फिर हम बैक नहीं कर पाएंगे. हमें पूरा इक्वेशन ऑपरेशन को हमें क्लियर करना होगा, री एंटर करना होगा. और इस चीज़ से बचने के लिए हमें प्रैक्टिस ज़्यादा करनी होगी. ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो ये जो गलत एंटर हो जा रहा है उस चीज़ से बच पाओगे. आज के लिए इतना ही. बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर गेट 2K25.